Welcome. Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education is coming with the lead Learning at Your Doorstep. The course is Electrical and Electronic Measurement. The unit for this session is Measurement of Electric Power. In this presentation, we are going to deal with the learning outcome number 2, determine multiplying factor for the given meter. What will we learn today? We will learn necessity of multiplying factor of wattmeter, to find the multiplying factor of a given wattmeter, to select a proper range and connect the wattmeter with correct terminals, and extension of range of wattmeter. The key takeaways are need of multiplying factor, formula for multiplying factor, need of range selection and range extension method. Please pause the presentation and go through the concept map. Generally, wattmeter is printed with only single scale. According to the connected load, the user has to select proper current rating and voltage rating by connecting the current and voltage terminals. As the rating of connected load changes due to the different loads, the current value or voltage value selected by the user on the wattmeter also changes. But one cannot change the printed scale on the wattmeter. So, that time multiplying factor comes into the picture. It is an even integer number by which the reading shown by the pointer on the scale is multiplied to get the correct value of power while noting down the reading. In this picture of wattmeter, you can observe the current terminals and voltage terminals in addition with M, L, C, V, these terminals. Scale is printed with 1500 watt for maximum full scale deflection by the pointer. Generally, the wattmeter is manufactured with minimum 2 ranges of voltage selection terminals having ranges specified on those terminals like 300 volt and 600 volt. According to the supply voltage and load rating, the appropriate range of 300 volt or 600 volt range is to be chosen. Similarly, to choose between two available ranges for current, the user has to select for the required current range. When load of different current ratings like 5 ampere, 10 ampere, 15 ampere, etc. are connected in an electric circuit, to choose between the available current ranges, the user has to connect terminal E1, E2, B1, B2 by using metal links. Connecting B1 and B2 terminals by metal links, a low range of current of say 5 ampere or 10 ampere will get selected, and when terminals B1 E2 and E1 B2 are simultaneously connected by using metal links, it will give higher range of current, say 15 ampere. Simple example is taken here where two different rating loads are connected in two different circuits. Connection of wattmeter is done as shown in the circuit diagram. The wattmeter is having full scale deflection of 1500 watt marked on it. In case 1, load is rated for 5 ampere and has voltage rating of 240 volts. For selecting 5 ampere range of current terminals, B1, B2 are connected using metal links. Potential coil CV is connected to 300 volt. In the experiment, to increase the load current, lamps are switched on and readings shown by the wattmeters is recorded. In case 2, when load changes, say higher capacity load of 10 ampere is connected in the circuit, the user has to change only the terminal connections at B1E2 and E1B2 with the help of metal links, which increases the current carrying capacity of same wattmeter to the higher range, say of 15 ampere. It is important to note that we haven't changed the wattmeter, but only ranges of current terminals had changed. Here multiplying factor comes into the picture. Thus multiplying factor, that is MF, is calculated by using formula V into I into cos of phi upon full scale deflection. Generally, unless specified otherwise, the value of cos phi is to be considered as 1. For case 1, the wattmeter connected for 5 ampere and 300 volt. The calculation will be 300 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 1 and divided by 1500 watt. The calculated value of multiplying factor comes out to be 1. So reading for every load value will be multiplied by 1 while entering into the observation table. For the second case, wattmeter is unchanged and only current selection terminals are chosen for 10 ampere. Now voltage is also unchanged as the rating of load is 300 volt. So now multiplying factor will be 300 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 1 and divided by 1500 watt, which will comes out to as 2. So in this case, the user will multiply every reading taken by him or her by 2 before entering the observation table. Thus, the reading shown by the pointer on the scale, if it is 200 watt, then reading to be noted is 200 watt into 1, which is multiplying factor, is equal to 200 in case 1. And for second case, where multiplying factor which is calculated is 2, the reading shown by the pointer on the scale, if suppose is 550 watt, but the user will write it down as 550 watt multiplied by 2 is equal to 1100 watt. Sometimes it is needed to measure the power at higher rating of voltages and current by using the regular wattmeter. So by using the current transformer and potential transformer, which steps down the value of system voltage and current taken by the load to a suitable and capable handling value by the wattmeter as shown in this figure. The current coil of the wattmeter is connected to the CT and pressure coil of the wattmeter is attached to the PT. So when load current changes, the current through the CT and hence current through the current coil of the wattmeter also changes. Voltage across pressure coil remains same and hence the reading shown by the wattmeter will be calculated according to V into I into cos of phi. Thus the higher value of power can be measured by using a regular wattmeter with the help of potential transformer and current transformer. This is called as the extension of range of regular wattmeter for measurement of higher power. Learners, please pause the presentation, note down these questions in your notebook and solve it. Dear learners, please refer to the book A Course in Electrical and Electronic Measurement and Instrumentation by A.K. Shawnee for further study and the reference. Thank you.